Thank you for giving me an opportunity to say something in front of you. Peace be upon to all. First of all, thanks to Almighty Allah who has given me chance to be present here at this beautiful moment. And then I special thanks my honorable teacher, guest and elder brother and sister and audience to say something in front of you. And really I'm very blessed to be present here at this beautiful moment. At first, I would like to introduce myself. This is Sirajul Mustafa. I studied at Palm Nursing College, Department of Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery, first year. Now I try my best level to say something about Nurses Day. So if we want to know what is Nurses Day, at first we have to know a story about Florence Nightingale. And Florence Nightingale was truly an inspirational nurse, and she was the founder of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy on May 12, 1820. And Florence was very lucky because her father, William Nightingale, believed that all women should receive an education. Then he taught Florence and her sister a variety of ranging from science and mathematics to history and philosophy. Teenager helping others, she felt called by God to become a nurse. At first, her parents, but Florence did not give up because at the time it is not a suitable profession for well-educated women. But eventually, in 1851, her father gave his permission and she went to Germany for training as a nurse. In 1853, she was the running hospital in London. We know that Florence Nightingale was called the Lady of the Lab because she was famous for her nursing work during the Crimean War in 1854 to 1856. She changed the face of nursing from untrained profession to highly skilled and well-respected with very important responsibilities. Florence was very dedicated to her job. She often visits the soldier at night with a lamp just when everyone was asleep, just remember the Lady of the Lab. And she was hardly took time off to sleep. And she was the real hero to the soldiers. They celebrated around the world every 12 May the anniversary of Florence Nightingale. So at last I would like to say, proudly, I am proud to be a nurse.